Hey, welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial this morning and talk about the things that we need to work on. So, this is the truth talk. Share in the comments. Let me know what are some things that you need to work on in your life, and we're going to talk about how to attack those things. So, let's hop in. I got this handy dandy cute new little makeup hair holder backer. Isn't it cute? I love it. I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I'm loving the Knox Anew Rejuvenating Eye Cream or Eye Serum and Face Serum. And then, of course, I'm using the Day Cream also. So starting this face off with a clean, fresh palette, I did also depuff the under eyes because my kids didn't want to sleep last night. Mom life, right? Okay, so I've already also gone in with my VDL Satin Primer. It's getting low. I love this primer. I'm using the heck out of it. So we've already primed, and we're going to hop in today with our Cashmere Complexion Powder Foundation. We are using shade N120. I love this shade. I am using a powder brush. I'm going to put it on dry. I love the effect of dry. You can also use the sponge and wet it and put it on wet for probably a more full coverage type look. I like just a light coverage when I'm here at the house working at home. So let's hop in. Hi, Charlene. What are some things that you need to work on in your life? That's what we're going to talk about this morning. So I was going to bed last night and I was making my list of all the things I needed to get done today. Hi, Alicia. And this weekend, I focused a lot of time on my office. And then I realized that I let some things slip through the cracks, like laundry and picking up my house and, you know, the mom things that we do. And my husband, bless his heart, he stepped in and he took care of some of the things for me. But you know, there's just some things that a man doesn't do like a woman does, right? I mean, do you have some things like that? So I have some goals for my business that I need to get done today. So I sat down. I'm just kind of touching around this area. It tends to get oilier. So the T-zone area, I'm focusing a little bit more attention on. So I sat down and I made a list of the top 3 things I needed to get done for my business. Cashmere Complexion and shade Mocha. We're going to do this for our under eye treatment. And then I made the list of the things I need to get done around my house. Put dinner in the crock pot already this morning. We are ready to go for dinner. I love the crock pot. I love a crock pot. It just makes my life so much easier. And I know that my family gets a good meal when I do that. So I've got my list, and now I've got to start attacking it and hitting it one at a time, because those activity goals are probably one of the most important things that you can do when you're trying to get things done. I'm just patting that in. Where do I start? Alicia's like, Christmas presents. Oh, I love Christmas presents. So do you make a list of everyone that you have to buy for? How I do my Christmas list is I make a list. I sprayed my setting spray on my hand. That's what that was. And I'm just going to pick it up because I do have those more mature eyes. And I'm going to pat it in and let it dry. And then I'm going to do my little magic trick so that I don't have the cracking underneath my eyes. Anyway, I take my Christmas list, I write everybody's name on it that I have to buy for, and then I do a second column of things that they're interested in. So like my nieces, they love makeup, they have their new homes, you know, all the things that, you know, my nephew, he loves football, he loves the Cowboys. So then I do a column of things that they're interested in. And then I'm going to use Magix Dust. I already put it in here, so I can't show you. Now that that has dried under the eyes, I'm just going to do a little bit, lightly powdering the Magix Dust on that area. And I'm going to go ahead and set my other powder, my powder foundation. It's going to add, especially in this T-zone area. There we go. And add a little setting powder so you can see it's Magix dust. It's a little bit of magic. Already my face looks like totally different from when we started. Okay, so let's do some tattoo brow pomade. I'm going to show you how to do your brows with a pomade. Anyway, and then I start searching out things that that person is interested in on my Christmas list. So I put their name, I put their interest, and then I put a couple of ideas that I want to shop for each person. And so that's how I attack my Christmas shopping. I don't know if that's a helpful tip for you. My mom used to do it that way. So with this pomade comes this little brush. So we're going to brush up our brows because we want that bushy appearance. So we're just brushing them up. There we go. And then I dipped the brush end into the pomade, and I'm just going to, if you get too much on it, you can put it on your hand. I probably should have done that in this case, but that's okay. And then I'm just following the line of the eye. So I hope that helps you on tips for Christmas shopping. It really helps me to attack my list and really get it knocked out pretty quickly. There we go. Yay! So I'm going to take this spindle again and just kind of brush them up. Can you see the difference? It's such a difference. If you will line your brows, it makes such a difference in your appearance on your face. So anyway, my list for my house, I have such a list. Am I the only one that has always got projects going? Like I can think of projects that I want to do every day for my house, but I have to kind of make a plan. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to put that mirror in front. So if I'm attacking a project at my house, I'll write down a list of all the things I need, and then I'll have to schedule it in on my schedule to make sure that I get the things that I need done for my family and the things I need done for my business, and then I can work those projects in. Of course, your daily things like your laundry, your dishes, your cooking, that stuff has to be done every day. So put that on your schedule. If I'm using a schedule, I tend to be a lot more productive. Let's see. Love crock pot dinners. Mine too. I do it that way about everything with time. Yeah, it's cool. Do you like the pomade better than the tattoo stick? That's a good question. I like them both. I think that the pomade definitely gives you more bold appearance. If you do not have brows and you're having to draw them on, a pomade is definitely the way to go because it's going to give you more boldness. I like the stick too because my brows are already pretty full, and so I can just, you know, kind of fill in the patchy areas with it. So I don't know. I think that I'm a stick fan just because it's a whole lot less work. I can just you know, draw it right on, and it's not quite as much work as the pomade. But the pomade's fun too, so I'm a stick fan. There's your answer. But I like the pomade. So, okay, brows are done. We are going to use one of my favorite palettes, the So Gorgeous palette. This palette is still available on my website. It is a final sale for $15, and it has all of these beautiful nude colors. I am a nude girl. I love some nude. So this is probably by far one of my favorite palettes. I'm going to use a smaller brush because I have hooded eyes, and I'm going to do a little bit of a higher arch. Okay, we're going to pull this one and this one, and we're just going to work up. See, I'm going above my natural crease. You can see that. Because if not, I have learned that it looks like I don't have eyeshadow on. And I'm just working it back and forth into that area. It's already so pretty. Okay, and I love to buy from local. Oh yes, I try to buy as much from sister representatives that have home-based businesses, local businesses, with like shops in my town. I definitely agree with you, Alicia. I try to do my Christmas shopping local if possible and support local businesses, because you know what? If you support them, they will support you. And I'm just a big believer in not giving to the big boxes, instead giving to local families. So that's how I do my shopping too. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to go down here. I'm just still doing a small arch, or kind of gives me like a aerodynamic look. Ooh, girl. There we go. And bring that up just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to take our blending brush and we're going to pick up, I'm going to pick up some of a little bit lighter colors down here. These nudes, I even can put a little gold in it. And just going to fill that part in. I love these nudes. They just speak to me, especially in the fall. And I'm blending that in with that crease. It's so pretty, so pretty. Okay, if you're like Jennifer, I still have to put something underneath those brows. I need a highlight. Then you want to go in with a lighter shade. I'm going to pull these two shades and I'm just going to go right underneath that brow line and I bring it down just a little bit. Oh yes, now we're rocking and rolling. So what are some other things, Charlene, that you need to work on in your life? So I shared my guilty thing. I need to get some more stuff done around my house. I need to get some goals met in my business. I'm working for a big promotion. And so, okay, let me close and let you guys look. What do you think? Do you like this eye look? This palette, every girl needs this So Gorgeous palette. And it's final sale for $15. Cannot beat that. Okay, we're going to use our SuperExtend liquid liner in black and line these babies. Okay. Alicia, here's an idea for your kids for Christmas. I have a friend that does this. It just came to me. I cannot line and talk at the same time. Her kids make each one of their siblings a Christmas gift. They build it, they paint it, they make it. And her husband works with them on like wood stuff. Or they buy like birdhouse kits and stuff that they do. But they make a gift for their siblings. And they share it with them on Christmas morning. And I think they do crafts. One year, I think her girls sewed aprons for everybody in their family. It was so cute. So with your kids at home homeschooling, that might be an idea of a project to do with them. Okay, can't talk and line at the same time. You know, I'm always looking for some way to be creative with my gifts. I love thoughtful gifts. I love gifts that someone put some time into and they really, you know, they thought about it. Or maybe they invested their own time in making something. To me, those are the most special gifts. And those are the type of gifts that I love too. Love mascara. We're going to use the regular one. We're not using waterproof today. I've just gone back to the regular. I use both, but you know, whenever you're thinking about even your family, making like a gift basket for them is so fun. I love to make gift baskets for friends and family. Of course with Avon products because that's what I sell and I'm going to support my own business. Like I have a niece that just had a baby. So I'm thinking she needs like a spa basket, right? With bubble bath and lotion and body scrub and maybe get her one of these things for her hair. or a turban towel for wet hair. You know, just a basket just of spa things. Maybe like a little eye mask and just some things to spoil her. The other thing is skincare. Skincare is a great gift. I know that sounds crazy, but I have a customer that started a couple of years ago. Every year she gets her girls a skincare regimen and a gift certificate so they can reorder it mid-year whenever they run low. And I was like, that is a great idea. So we have her 3 girls on a great skincare regimen, and we do their reorder with a gift certificate. So things like that are a great way to love on people, let them pick out things that they want, and really, you know, make the gift that they desire to have. We're going to use Love Queen Carnation in blush. It is the super cushiony Hydrfusion infused with extra plumping. We're just going to do it lightly on the cheeks. Just a little bit. When I put it on the cushion, I just barely touch it because it is a very bold, highly pigmented color, and we just want a touch of it. So if you'll just barely touch that cushion and really just barely pick it up and then lightly pat it on your face, you're going to get the look that you want. And it has that extra Hydrfusion hyaluronic acid in it. So hyaluronic acid is something that our bodies lose over time. And if we can put it back and give ourselves a little bit of extra plump, why not? We're going to do Birthday Balm and Surprise today. Love it. All the mascaras Avon sells, what do you like the best about the Love mascara? Easy question. Easy answer for me, Kathy. I love the Love mascara because, number one, it has natural ingredients. It also has some extra vitamins like vitamin E. I think it has vitamin A in it, which is good for hydration of your lashes. It helps them to grow. It helps to infuse good things in your lashes. Plus, it has these little beautiful heart-shaped fibers that attach to your lashes and help expand and lengthen them. And it also stays with me all day. It doesn't smear, it doesn't clump. I just love that it is doing good things for my lashes and still giving me that beautiful look that I'm looking for. So I hope that answers. The waterproof does all of those things too. It just is very waterproof. If you're going to do the waterproof, then you definitely want to pick up the eye makeup remover because you do not want to rip your lashes out when you're trying to get waterproof mascara off of your face. So be super careful with any kind of waterproof mascara, and ours stays all day long. Like, you have to remove it. Okay, we're going to finish this off with a Glow and Mist setting spray. Y'all ready? So refreshing. We're just going to let it dry on your face. It's going to set your makeup all day long. You're going to be good to go and ready to rock your day and make things happen. So whatever it is on your list, make an attack plan. Oh, I got to fix this hair. Make an attack plan and put your steps that you need to do to make it happen, and then celebrate when you do. So I hope you all have a fabulous and beautiful day. Thank you so much for getting ready with me this morning. I hope these tips were helpful. Share this video. Somebody else may need these makeup tips. Of course, if you want help with color matching, let me know. I will help you color match. And you can shop for my products at youravon.com/jwoolsey, JWOLSEY, or with your local Avon representative. So thanks for getting ready, guys. Have a good day. Make it happen.